So behind me here today, we have a 2025 Ford F-350 Platinum. And this particular vehicle is for a pretty special customer of ours. He's got quite a large fleet we've done for him amongst a couple of personal builds. This is his latest one, and it happens to be a little bit of a fan favorite around the workshop. It is a very good example of what we do here at Concept Canopies and Tactical Tours. The way we bring together a complete build. We specialize in luxury expedition vehicles that will get you where you want to go and home safely. Today we're going to show you a few of the key features and have a walk around of this lovely vehicle. Starting at the front of the F-Truck, we have an Outback Kitters bull bar. You'll note on this vehicle there is quite a lot of Outback Kitters equipment that we've teamed up with them to get this final product. Winch in behind the bull bar, some laser lamps on the front. The beautiful silver in this car, we've gone and blacked out all of the chrome on it and then color coded things like the guards down the side to give it a really clean look. Underneath, we've got a 5-inch BDS lift kit. Now it's a coil-over conversion. It also utilizes Fox shocks with twin remote resis up front. It's got a set of 20-inch methods wrapped in the 37 12.5-inch all-terrain tyre, fitted with the apex valves there from Outback Kitters. The heavy-duty radius arms up front, track bars in the back from Reese G&L, and then airbag support up the rear. The twin stabilisers on the front with the bash plate to keep those protected. On the top here, we've kept it as practical as possible with the 2 roof racks, one on the cab of the vehicle, one on the cab of the canopy. It has laser lamps on it, the Starlink Mini, which is mounted with a Gorilla mounts, UHF aerial, 600 watts of solar, bushwhacker awning, and then it has a uni strut the whole way across the roof of this so you can tie down pretty much anywhere or anything that you need. So just before we get to the canopy on this vehicle at the back, just want to show you the inside of the F-Truck here. And this is where the Fords really do it well. Now this is a Platinum model, so you've got the beautiful leather interior for those long comfy drives. You've got massage seats, heated, cooled up the front. Now we've also relocated all of your blind spot monitors, all of the cargo cameras, and added some cameras to this. All the safety features on this vehicle work as per factory with the addition of the canopy on the back. So this is one of our premium canopies for the American vehicles. On the F-Truck here, it's 2.25 long, 1.50 m high, 2.20 m wide. They fit really nicely on this truck. We've got the infill panels that take up that gap between the canopy and the car. Diesel tank on it, your AdBlue, and then some water outlets either side. Underneath the canopy, we've got 4 storage boxes. This one here, on this particular vehicle, holds a twin ARB compressor and a Morflate inflation system. The Morflate is a great system that allows you to pump up 4 tyres at once. The way we set them up is an outlet on this side of the car and an outlet on the other side, being that you would typically, if you're towing, be running maybe different pressures on the rears to the front. You would be pumping up the rear tyres at once and then the front tyres at once. It's like going to the servo and having a digital gauge where it'll beep when it automatically gets to the PSI that you have set. So probably my favourite part of this truck is this side of the canopy. Now this customer, having had a lot of our gear, he knew exactly what he wanted with this build. Single handle opening, has all central locking and door warning alarms built into it. Andrew really wanted our slide out kitchen, our power tower, which includes a 130 litre stand-up fridge, and then just lots of drawer space. He's got aluminium drawers. We run the nylon slides, keeps it really lightweight, less things that can break, and then a slide out table underneath this drawer. As I pull out this kitchen, there you have it, ready to cook. Heaps of storage inside the kitchen here, and then having the fridge and your drawers with the extra table, you've got a lovely cooking space here when you're camping. So coming around to the back of this canopy, there's a little bit going on. We've got a spare tyre, one of our slide out and drop down ladders, and a storage box on the back. Now, Andrew runs all of his recovery gear in here for that easy access. There's a under tray trundle drawer underneath the canopy, which in front of that there is a 120 litre water tank which pump feeds and can pump fill from a water source. Up the top of the canopy there is your shore power 240 in and out from the electrical system. Down the back, or underneath I should say, is the relocation of the blind spot monitors and safety features, including the park sensors and all of the towing equipment, 12-pin plug, your twin Anderson plugs, additional airbag valves, and just tucked neatly underneath the truck there is a 6-inch DPF back stainless steel exhaust system. The beauty of what we do at Concept Canopies, we customise to suit your needs. So if you like to have twin spares or no ladder, perhaps you don't want anything on the back, we can build your car to suit exactly what you need. We pride ourselves in having one of the strongest aluminium canopies on the market, but keeping it as light as possible. So this particular one starts out life at about the same weight as the tub that came off the back of the truck as standard. From there, we fit out the internals with what you may like in your one. This one has quite a substantial electrical system in it. So 400 amp hour lithium battery, 3000 watt inverter, 600 watts of solar and outlets either side of the truck. So you've got charging stations both sides. Lots of space in this one, like I said earlier. Andrew really wanted just lots of storage space up top, drawer systems, and then a larger cargo area at the back should he need to carry something that's full height of the canopy. We typically marine carpet finish our drawers. They're very easy to clean, nothing gets scratched, and then we insulate all the sheets inside the canopy with marine carpet and a 12mm thick insulation. This one is internally painted, colour matched to the car throughout, and then the black features, petitions and drawer fascias. A fantastic thing about our canopies is that they are built from all our own aluminium extrusion. Now these extrusions utilise a uni-strut throughout the whole canopy, so if you are mounting things you don't need to drill holes, you can utilise that extrusion. On the doors here we have standard our air vent system. Now these come on all of our canopies from factory. This is how we get our canopies to be dust free. We also have full width opening doors, a flat floor to maximise the amount of space that you have within this canopy. We mount lights up on the inside of this door and then we can mount them out on the door to give you that nighttime light. Each canopy starts out life as a bare product, so when you come in you'll speak with our draftsman, you'll sit down with our sales team and design your own canopy. You can pick from our popular layouts that we have, or we can design one that suits your exact needs. So there you have it guys, that is a great example of what we do at Concept Canopies and Tactical Tourers. So whether it's for your work vehicle, your weekend warrior, or you're doing a trip around Australia, we have a very experienced team that can help you out. So give us a call at Tactical Tourers and Concept Canopies.